Hi, Livio. So this is a demo quotation that I created, and I just want to show you the issues that I was pointing out. So, so this is the quotation that so when you're filling the quotation, you fill in the normal order lines, and then you impute other quantity and units of measurement. And but then when you print it out, it doesn't show in this manner. The other quantity and the units of measurement show differently. So let me just show you. Okay, so when I print out, this is what I have. I have the quantity in one line having both the units of quantity and the units of measurement in the same column, but I want them to be different columns. So when I try to create a new column using Studio, I have this problem. So I click on Studio and I go to Report. Once I click on this to be able to make changes to this,